Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Gage. Appreciate it. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and bring in some more revenue and get some exposure with a website and understanding Google. So first, what I wanted to say is obviously a couple of things. We'll cover everything that you type into here in the Google search bar is considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit your search for the words that you typed in. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords that get typed in here, and then categorizes those websites with that content to establish a rank structure. Now, typically you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So here we have the map pack rank structure, and the map pack is based off of your Google Business Profile and your area of coverage. There is a lot of traffic that can be generated from being within the map. It's a lot of local traffic for you. It creates leads that becomes business and sales. Also attached to your profile, you would want citations, anything that's name, address, and phone number that reflects your profile. Citations would include directories like Yellow Pages or BBB and Angie, Yelp, and that is part of the rank structure or what takes place here for the map area. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So content and backlinks and keywords come into play here. So if you've ever wondered, how do these companies get on the first page of Google? And remember, most people don't go past the first page of Google. They type in what they're looking for. If they don't see it, then they move on. So sites like advertisements like Yelp or Angie, that doesn't count. House, that doesn't count. You want an organically ranked site because of content and backlinks. So we do have right here, because you're in construction or a contractor. So I did construction companies. We have Fayetteville NC top rated. So we have Southeastern Home Builders. This is their website here, just to give you an idea. I also have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. It shows me what's going on behind closed doors. Now, again, I said backlinks are a major contributor to a rank factor. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in you. It creates popularity. It's like a popularity contest here. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you wouldn't want a landscaper per se linking back to you. It won't carry as much weight and as much strength as another contractor or construction company referring back to you. There's 47 referring domains, other sites connected to him from these backlinks. And then with the keywords that he has inside of his content, he's generating 69 views a month in traffic. Now, to give a little insight to this, come on, internet. And we're moving slow. Here we go. So the keywords that you type in, so you typed into Google, typed in your keyword here, and then so the keywords are the phrases, the amount of volume per month that those words get searched or where Google finds them within websites. So for example, Southeastern Homes 300 times, but general contractor Fayetteville, North Carolina 350 times. General contractor, contractors, contractor Fayetteville 300 times. Contractors Fayetteville, North Carolina 250. So you get the idea. Collectively, all of these combined total is a lot of exposure that comes to your website when you have the right content and the words that somebody is searching for built into your website. Now, with that being said, I also wanted to show you another competitor. That would be, I'm sorry, that was him for there. I also looked up construction companies just to give you an idea. So here again, Southeastern at 4, and then we have MS Square. So depending on how you type it in, construction, his website and what he looks like behind closed doors. See, he only has 13 backlinks, 5 referring domains, 31 keywords, generating 33 views of traffic. So it would be really easy to rank or outrank. If he has 13 backlinks, you can have those and then some. So you would get 25 or 30. If he has 31 keywords, you'd get 50. Same for him here. He has 355 backlinks, so you can have those and an additional 400. 68 keywords, plug in 75. You can have all those keywords and then some. So that is just a little insight on how the rank structure works and why people are on the first page of Google and how important it is to have a well-built website. A lot of companies build great websites, but some of them will fall short when it comes to content. And you'll say to yourself, well, I just got a website built and I'm wondering why I'm not generating any traffic. Business isn't going up. Without the content and the backlinks and everything coming together, I like to say it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. So you really get a better understanding and appreciation for what's going on behind closed doors and how these things work and why people are on the first page of Google. So with all that being said, I hope that you have a better understanding of how this works. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you had any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Again, thanks and have a nice day.